In this section we'll see how to create our first presentation. So I'll start PowerPoint, and you've got all these templates here. Don't worry about those for the time being. Just click on where it says blank presentation, and that brings up the first screen. You need to click within this first item and add a title, and then you can add a subtitle. So if I click within here, you can just type in something like this. So in this case I've typed in search engine concepts, search engine optimization. Down here I can just type in my name or the company. So I'll just type that in, and that's my first slide. So this is the title slide. So the next thing is I need a new slide, the next slide of the series. What do? Well, if you look at the ribbon here, you've got this thing that says new slide. Notice it's in two parts. You've got this bit here and this bit here. If you click here on the upper part where it says new slide, it'll use a bit of intelligence, and if you look at the layout of this one and this one, they're different. So it knows that that's your title page, and then this is going to be the the first slide within the main body of the presentation. If I click within this top area where it says click to add title, I just simply click and type in the title. So something like that, how do search engines work? Next, in this bottom area where it says click to add text, if I click within there and type in a few lines of information, like so, that's my second slide. So I now need to create another slide. So again, I go to the top bit where it says new slide. Remember, not the bottom bit, we'll look at that later. We click on the top bit up here, so I'll click there. We've got a new slide. So notice I've got slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, which is blank. I click in the top area here to add a title and just type in my title. So in this case it's think like a search engine. Then I have to click in this lower bit where it says click to add text, and I just type in a few paragraphs of text, like so. So now I've got slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. Incidentally, if I want to switch to slide 1, I'll just simply click here, so I could edit slide 1 if I wanted to. If I click here, I go to slide 2, slide 3, and so on. So that's how you move from slide to slide. Now what I've done is I've just simply carried on adding new slides. So as you can see, if I scroll down here now, I have 11 slides altogether, like so. If I want to switch from one to another, that's the slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got 12 different slides now. As I say, the easy way to switch from one to another is just simply click here, and you can see everything's been typed in. So it's not a very interesting presentation at the moment. There's no design that's been added or applied. There's no graphics. It's looking extremely boring at the moment. But that shows you how to get going anyway, how to create your first presentation, albeit a little bit boring at the moment. What you need to do is you need to be able to save this presentation. I've actually previously saved this particular example. So normally you just click on the save icon here. So I'll go and save this using a different file name, and the way I do that is I click on File, Save As, and then you just decide where you want to save it to. So in this case I'm going to click on Browse, and I'm going to go to Documents here, and I've got a subdirectory I previously created called PowerPoint 365 Foundation, and I've got a couple of sample files in there, and I'll just simply call it my first presentation. Type in whatever you want, obviously, then click on Save, and you'll see that as normal the file name is up the top there. It's been saved to the PC in this case. So that's your very first presentation.